Hey guys, this is me Zainab and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to create and render seamless patterns on Photoshop. Ever since I uploaded my last video on how to make seamless patterns by hand, I got a lot of messages and DMs asking to teach how to make them on Photoshop. So here I am with yet another helpful video for all the designers out there. The version I'm using here is Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. It's super easy to use once you get the catch. You can use whatever version you have on your PCs right now, doesn't matter at all. Here I'll be treating the same image I painted in my last video, so let's get started. As you can see, here I have the scanned image open on Photoshop, and when I zoom in, we can see the raw painted edges and unfinished seams. Now let's work on making it a seamless repeat pattern. First of all, we will cut paste the image on a separate layer, leaving the background layer empty. Now let's crop the painted pattern. Though it was originally a painted seamless pattern, but it still might be needing some adjustment in repeat. To see if our image is perfectly repeatable, we will have to offset the image. In order to do that, choose filter on the upper bar of Photoshop and you'll see an offset option right there. Here you can increase the values so that you'll be able to see the offset, and if any joints are visible, you can select the wraparound option or fix the joints manually. Here I choose to fix the joints manually by using the stamp and heal tool. After all the joints have been fixed and your pattern is now officially repeatable, let's fix the colors and add a few elements to make the design more interesting. Here I have a texture image and I will be extracting the white texture area and will be pasting it on my own pattern. When you have pasted the texture, adjust it according to your requirements and erase the area where you don't want the texture to be with the eraser tool. Now to add interest in your design and to make the texture a part of the background, let's merge it. For that, there is an option above the layer window on the right side. Here you can select any merging option according to your requirements and add another dimension to your design. Similarly, you can add other elements too, like I am adding leaves to this design and merging them into the background with the exact same technique used for the textured part. Finally, now we're done with our design. Don't forget to save it. I personally save all my files in PSD as well as in JPEG format. I hope you found my video helpful and interesting. Do give a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet.